What is mindful walking?
Mindful walking combines the simple act of walking with focused awareness. It means paying close attention to each step, your surroundings, and your breath, rather than walking on autopilot. Mindful walking can help reduce stress, increase clarity, and create a sense of calm, no matter where you are, in your neighborhood, a park, or even indoors.
Getting started. Setting intention.
Before you begin, pause and set an intention for your walk. Decide to leave distractions behind and focus on the present moment. Take a few deep breaths, feeling your feet on the ground. Tell yourself that this walk is time for self-care, not rushing to a destination or multitasking, but simply noticing and experiencing the world around you.
Step 1. Tune into movement.
As you start walking, slow your pace slightly. Notice how your heel touches the ground, then the ball of your foot, then your toes. Feel your muscles working, your arms swinging naturally. If your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to the sensation of walking, focusing on the simple rhythm of each step.
Step 2. Engage your senses.
While walking, notice your surroundings with all your senses. What do you see? A tree, sunlight, or the pattern of tiles indoors? What sounds do you hear? How does the ground feel? Is there a scent in the air? By fully engaging with your environment, you anchor your awareness to the present moment, deepening the mindfulness experience.
Maintain mindfulness. Navigating distractions.
Distractions are normal. If thoughts or worries arise, acknowledge them without judging yourself. Then gently guide your focus back to your steps and senses. You can use your breath as an anchor. Inhale as you take 2 steps. Exhale on the next 2. This practice helps you stay present and calm, even during a brief walk.
Bringing mindful walking into daily life.
Mindful walking doesn't require special settings or long blocks of time. Incorporate it into daily routines, like walking to the bus, wandering your home, or enjoying a park stroll. Short, mindful moments throughout your day can reduce stress and increase well-being. The key is regular practice. Every step offers an opportunity to reconnect with yourself.